This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Visual Studio. We will explore their key differences, helping you decide which tool best suits your development needs. Visual Studio Code, often called Vscode, is a streamlined, open-source code editor. On the other hand, Visual Studio is a full-featured integrated development environment, or IDE. While both are excellent for coding, they cater to distinct project types and developer preferences. Understanding their core functionalities is crucial for making an informed choice. Visual Studio Code shines with its lightweight nature and incredible flexibility. It's truly cross-platform, available on Windows, Mac, Linux, and even in your web browser. This editor boasts a rich ecosystem of extensions, allowing you to customize it for virtually any programming language or workflow. Installation is remarkably fast, often taking up less than 200 megabytes. It's perfect for web development, cloud-native applications, or when you need to make quick, efficient code changes. Visual Studio stands as a robust, full-featured integrated development environment. It's the powerhouse for large, complex enterprise projects, particularly strong in the Microsoft ecosystem with languages like C#, C++, and .NET. This IDE includes advanced debugging, performance profiling, and extensive testing tools right out of the box. You'll also find rich visual designers for building desktop, web, and mobile applications, providing a deeply integrated development experience. So, which tool should you choose? If you prioritize a lightweight, highly customizable editor for web, cloud, or cross-platform development, Vscode is an excellent choice. For large-scale enterprise applications, especially those deeply integrated with the Microsoft ecosystem using .NET or C++, Visual Studio provides an unparalleled, comprehensive environment. Consider your project size, specific language needs, and operating system. Both offer free versions, so you can easily try them out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.